The 4800 PSI Electric Pressure Washer delivers an impressive 4,800 pounds per square inch of pressure, making it ideal for tackling even the toughest cleaning jobs. Equipped with a powerful 1800-watt motor, this pressure washer can quickly remove stubborn dirt and grime, saving you both time and effort. The total stop system and safety lock feature ensure that the washer only runs when you need it, which helps conserve energy and prolong the pump's lifespan. With 5 quick connect nozzles and an attached foam cannon, you can easily switch between different pressure settings and create rich bubbles for a thorough car wash. Despite its powerful performance, this machine is lightweight and portable, with special wheels and a long pressure hose that make it easy to maneuver and reach difficult areas. Hongdong provides excellent customer service with a 24/7 support team and a 12-month warranty, ensuring you have a worry-free experience with the product.